Network in graph theory is a new topic in KSSM syllabus. What is network? A network is a part of a graph with vertices and edges having their own characteristics. A simple graph has no loops and multiple edges. Before we discuss example 1, we need to know some important terms. The first one, V, the set of vertices or dots. E, the set of edges or lines linking each pair of vertices. D, degree. The formula for sum of degree of a graph is twice the number of edges. So 2 times number of edges, 2 times 4 equal to 8. To prove that sum of degree equal to twice of number of edges, let us see this. Degree for vertex A is 3. 1, 2, 3. Degree for vertex B is 2. From here, vertex B, 1, 2. Degree for vertex C is 2 also. Point C is here, vertex C, 1, 2. Degree of vertex D only 1, because here 1 only. So the sum of degree is 8. Now we look at example 2. Based on the simple graph given, determine A, V and number of V. Set of vertices is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Number of vertices is 6. Set of edges, we have 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 5 and 5, 6. So how many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number of edges is 7. Sum of degree is equal to 2 times number of edges. So 2 times 7 equal to 14. Let us see why we get 14. Degree 1 is equal to 2. 1, 2. Degree 2 here is equal to 1. Degree 3, we have 1, 2. Degree 4, we have 1, 2 also. Degree 5, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And degree 6, we have 1, 2. And the sum is 14. Graph with multiple edges and loops. Before we answer this question, we must know what is multiple edges. Multiple edges involve 2 vertices. The vertices are connected by more than one edge. So this is multiple edges. The sum of degrees is twice the number of edges. What is loops? This is a loop. Loop involves one vertex only. The edge is in form of an arc that start and end at the same vertex. Each loop adds 2 to the degree. Now we look at example 3. The diagram below shows a graph with a loop and multiple edges. Stat V and number of V. A. V equal to EFGH. EFGH. Number of V is 4. Set of edges, we have FE and another FE because it's multiple edges. FG, GH, and HH. This is loop. So number of set E is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sum of degree is twice of number of edges. So 2 times number of edges. 2 times 5 equal to 10. Now we look at degree for each vertex one by one. Degree E is here. So 1, 2. Degree F here 1, 2, 3. Degree G 1, 2. Degree H 1, 2, 3. So why here we have 2? Because one is clockwise, another one is anti-clockwise. So the sum of degree equal to 10. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.